welcome back to my channel Computer Science for All. So today, let us once again meet Mr. Joe, who is a teacher and he has created some assessments again. But the problem that he is facing, कि ऐसा होता है, for example, today I am making an assessment for my students, right? I am giving some instructions, then I also write the date of the assessment, name of the teacher, and I have a set format that I have to follow for all my assessments. So what is happening? Mr. Joe has to do the same task again and again. So now he is thinking how to make his work easier, how he can if there is some way by which he can copy the assessments so that he can just change the questions and he don't have to do the same formatting again and again. So let's discuss about copying assessments. That means how creating assessments can be made easy for Mr. Joe. So let's see how he can do it. So let's get started. Okay, so I have opened the Google Forms here. Now if you see, for example, I have created, let me just rename this form, and I want to use this as a template. Okay, so I want to give some instructions and subheading so that it remains same for all my assessments. So what I can do, let me open. Right? Okay, so now for example, here I have written the name of my school. Okay, let's take a normal font so that it's easy to understand, right? So here I have written class test 1, right? Now here I want to give class and section. For example, it's 9th A, 9B, 9C, and before that I want to enter the name of the student, and very good. So it has automatically detected it is short answer and then class and section, right? Now for example, here I want to write some instructions, right? I want to write all questions are compulsory, right? This question paper contains 30 questions, right? So this is the instructions that I have given and this is the format, right? Now as you know that all the settings are automatically saved in my template. Now see, this is, I will name this form as a template form. Now again I will go to this. Now if you see, just open this in a new tab. Now for example, I want to create an assessment. So what I will do, if you can see, there are 3 dots here. So you will go to 3 dots and you will click on make a copy. So keep this template as it is so that you can use it for all your assessments, and click on make a copy. So when you click on make a copy, write down, for example, this is my class 9th assessment 1, right? Click on OK and see what happens. Now there is one assessment created, class 9, which is already having all these points. So here I can simply change my questions and whatever questions I want to add, right? If I go back to my Google Forms now, I will reload this and you can see one assessment has been created. So with the same template, you can create as many assessments you want, but save your template once. Write down all the instructions, whatever heading you want to give, whatever logo you want to add. Do all the settings so that you don't have to write the same thing each and every time. So that is how you can easily copy assessments at any point of time and use it in future, because we all are creating online assessments और हमें बार बार सेम चीज़ सेम इंस्ट्रक्शंस लिखने पड़ते हैं. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉपी पेस्टिंग द इंस्ट्रक्शंस, you can create a copy of the same template. So save the format of your question paper as a template and use the same format whenever you want. Right? I hope this video was useful for all of you, and it will help you to create your assessment in a more easy way. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.